outside because Whiskers got kicked out. Hi Whiskers! Can we go live with you? He's actually pretty good, and he was born inside, and he's been inside for the last few days. As you can see, it's starting to thunder, but it's not raining yet. I don't know what he's gonna do when it starts raining. Where's the shelter? Good question for me to ask you. Under our house, it's open, see? Right there? Well, that's where he's been staying, and he's been playing in this grass. And down here is where he poops. That's where he goes to play. See, he does a little bit of everything, everywhere. As long as he does not jump up on our house or jump in this huge tree. Yeah, see it now? Okay. Alrighty. He's just a little rascal of joy, though. He's a little joyable thing. Sorry, this video is not that much about him. He just wants to eat. And nothing else. So, thank you.